now we're gonna make this hero section. So for that we have to enter add two section layout, and here we can write hero. Okay, here we can write 1300 max width, and this would be like this. Here we're gonna remove all of this padding and all. We can add 80 and 80 to the top. Okay, so let's go to the next. Here we can have remove all of this. Also to the second, remove all of this. Okay, now we can click on this hero. Let's go to styles, and here we have to add some images. So let's choose the images. So we're gonna choose these images, okay, for our gallery. Okay, so we have to choose 3 seconds, and here we can choose the default size cover and the background position center and center. Okay, let's go to, and we can enable this curves band effect, so it will make a zoom effect like this. Let's go to the background overlay, and here we can add this and make this black. Okay, then we can change this like this. Okay, so for right now let's keep this 0.6, let's keep this 0.5. okay, now we can go to the layout, and here we can make this 700 like this. Okay, now you can see that. So first let's go to this one. Let's name this one, let's name this 2. So for the one we're gonna make it let's make it 70%, and for the 2 we're gonna make this to 30%. okay, like this. Now we have to add this headings and all, so let's add this heading, and this is saying welcome to home Spire, so we can make this. Okay, after that we need to change this. So fonts is already done, so that's why we have, so let's make this 500, and let's increase the font size like this. Then we have this text, so let's make this here. Okay, and here we can add this here also we can make this, so you can see, and here also we can make this 500, and let's increase the font size. Okay, we can make this 80. Okay, let's make this 70. Okay, and here we have this line height. We can choose the EM value, and this would be 1.1. okay, then we have the lorem ipsum, so we can just drag and drop this here. Okay, and here we have this. Okay, and here you can see we can make this white also like this. Okay, and here as you can see we have these 2 buttons now, so we can just add a button here. Okay, it means first you have to add the containers. Okay, you can also name this here, like we can name this DTN box, so you will remember which section is which. Okay, so putting this structure is very important. So here we can write get started. Okay, and we can also color this. So this is the white, and this is this color, so let's do that. So here we can make this to white. Inside this I think we have the black. Okay, write black. Okay, so here also if you want to change the font, you can just change the font if you don't like this. Okay, so this is good that we can set some global, and if we don't like it we can change that. Okay, so in this way there will be a consistency with the fonts. You don't want to choose all the fonts again and again, so I hope this is a good approach. Okay, so here we have the border radius. We don't want the border radius. Also on hover we want to put some animations, so let's put some simple animations. Okay, I prefer simple animation which make the website fast. Shrink animation. Okay, let's duplicate this. So you can see this go below. Now here complexity is start. If you know the CSS flex box, you will understand how to use this. The direction will be row, and everything is set. So let's make this. So here again we have to reverse the colors. Here we can make this, here we can make this, and here we can make this white, and we can make this black. So we can reverse these colors. So here we have the view project. Here we have the view project, so we can rename this view project. Okay, and now we can just click on the button box, and here we can have this to make this 30. Okay, this is done. Now let's go here and we're gonna refresh. You can see here, you can see we have this lights, and this is also working. Only one thing is that we don't have added this buttons, means icon, so we can choose this icon. Okay, so this is the icon widget. We can just drag and drop this here. We can make this in the right direction. So here we can just make this frame, and here we can choose the Facebook. Okay, and here we can just increase the font size. Then we can just duplicate this. You can just duplicate this. Okay, so then here you can choose the font, different font, like we can choose the Instagram font here. Okay, here also we can choose some different font, like we can choose the Twitter font here. Okay, so you can add or whatever you want to add here, means your social icons, not whatever. So here now we can just go here, and here we can make this to theme 1 like this. You can also have some grow animation. Let's prefer grow animations. Okay, so you can just also you can use this color and make this completely white like this. Okay, so whatever colors you want, you can just now we can paste the styles to different one. So you can see. Now let's publish, and after that if I go here and we're gonna refresh this, you can see we have these colors, and here also we have the social icon fully working. Okay, and the slides are also changing. Okay, so you can see how successfully we have built this hero section, which is also looking very good, because we have set all the globals, all the colors are global, all the fonts are global. So this is a better approach.